everyone, this is Lucy, and today I will be showing you how to back up phone contacts to Gmail in Samsung Mobile. So first step is to open your phone app. Here, go to Contacts and click on these three dots here. Now you need to go to Manage Contacts and you need to click on Move Contacts. Here you will need to click on from where you want to move your contacts. Now select the contacts you want to move. Then you need to select to where you want to move your contacts. So I'll just go ahead and click on that, and it will move all of my contacts from my phone to my Google account. Now that's easy as it is. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.